This is a brief introduction of the EBis software and how the Aviol EBis solution can work for you. A product of Datco Media, EBis is a one-step software program that is currently used in the marketplace. There are numerous features that will be covered throughout this tutorial. In this EBis introductory section, we'll show you the different features that we have in EBis. Most are standard, some are optional. This icon represents the work order section, where you manage work orders, quotes, and warranty claims. You'll be able to search by different methods. EBis handles repair orders. The repair orders are when you're working on a person's part. You're an FAA repair station and you're licensed to work on certain parts of the airplane, an engine, a cylinder, or a radio. You may be able to do repair orders and print out any 8130s at the end, or be able to do quotes. There's a customer management module where you keep all the information on customers, including aircraft. There's a master parts section. This holds all traditional master parts, pricing, inspection information, cores, and supersedure information. EBis has a tool location and tool bin, which will allow you to put in all your tools, whether they're calibrated or whether they're just reference only. It will also give you the calibration date and the due date. You will also have the ability to run reports. EBis features a purchase order section that will allow you to create a purchase order for parts or for service POs and be able to place those directly from here and be able to download shipping information from Aviol after the order is placed electronically. It also has a vendor file which will contain all the vendor information, and it will also have all the history information and the normal reports that you'll be able to run. EBis offers an over-the-counter file which will allow you to put quotes out for parts that you're selling over the counter, not necessarily on airplane jobs, but if someone calls up and tries to order parts from you, you'll be able to do a quote for them for how much things are going to cost. The customer can open those quotes and print them if need be. EBis has a core section that will allow you to keep track of all your cores throughout the entire system. You'll know where they are, when you receive payment for them, what time you shipped them, and what the tracking number is. There is a line services icon that will allow you to bill not only fuel, but any other products or services that you're going to provide for the aircraft or crew. You'll also be able to sell fuel from the tank to the farm or to the aircraft itself. There's also a defueling section available. EBis also has a scheduler that will allow you to schedule events, so you'll be able to see what's happening on each date, when things are supposed to leave, and plan accordingly. It has a time clock which will allow you to punch in and out for payroll time on this particular job or on this particular day. Each day you'll punch in and out, and at the end there will be a report on what your actual time is, just like a time clock on the wall. EBis also has an administrative section which will provide technician logs. It'll give you work order totals and will provide many of the administrative functions. EBis also offers an in-house message system, so you can send a message to another user within the system requesting help or asking them to provide parts or anything else that you would normally walk over to the other side of the hangar and request. That's a general overview of all the features EBis has to offer your operation. In this presentation, we'll highlight the advantages of EBis's purchase order functionality. EBis and Aviol use web services to integrate with each other. Web services is the newest form of electronic communications deployed at Aviol. It allows Aviol's computer system to communicate directly with EBis in real time. EBis also integrates with QuickBooks Pro, MS Accounting Professional 2007, Great Plains, T-Data, Camp Systems, and Avantex. As the EBis software integrates with Aviol's databases, Customers will essentially be accessing purchase order information from Aviol. Customers will see real-time stock and pricing. In this instance, we see that Aviol has 45 lamps here and 4,924 lamps there. Let's say the customer wants to order these. Simply move the mouse over here and click Send Order. It is required that you have an estimated arrival date so the mechanics know terms and shipping method. The customer will need to identify these options to send the order. Once it's selected, it will send the order electronically to Aviol. This concludes our presentation. Thank you for your time. For more information, please contact Datco Media.